O God, I thank thee for thy word, which bids me choose the right. And now I kneel before thee, Lord, to make my choice tonight. Although of very little worth and stained by sin beside, I place my life at thy command, forever on thy side. Not blindly with unthinking haste or mere emotion stirred. I choose the life with Christ in God and rest upon thy word. Gladly with heart and hand and soul accept thy service free, and find my joy and strength in this that thou hast chosen me.